Welcome back to my series where I'm talking all things Delray Beach, Florida.
What is up, my fellow budget travelers? I hope you're enjoying this series about Delray Beach. If you haven't checked it out yet, check out the Seagate Hotel. This was an amazing hotel. I really enjoyed staying there. And now check out this beach, guys. You're going to love the beach in Delray. It's perfect for girl trips. Like, this is the place you want to go. Good restaurants, good nightlife. The beach. Make sure you stay tuned to the end so that you can see the next video link. I am talking all things Delray art, so check me out there and enjoy the video.
Delray Beach does not need any words, so I'm just going to let you enjoy the sounds of the ocean, and then after that I'll show you more of Delray Beach and the area surrounding it. It's funny the difference, like 10 minutes makes. For those of you wondering, these are actually snails, and they climb the trees and anything around them trying to escape the heat, so I thought that was really cool to show you guys. And of course, there's the lizards. If you're liking this series, don't forget to hit that subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and check out Delray art. That's going to be next up in the lineup. I'll see you there.